Hey everybody, welcome to the Pip Crypto Show. Like, comment, subscribe. Giving out, price action trading, technical analysis, and that's what I do. I have fun with the technicals here and there. I do a little dibble dabble with the crypto, not that much. Right here, we're on the faucet. They do promotions and they do things of that nature. You can follow them on Twitter. If I follow them on Twitter, you don't have to. It's a free faucet. You win Bitcoin on the hour. Well, not on the hour. Every hour from when you sign up, etc., or when you play your first game. It's pretty neat. I just do this on the side because I just thought about it like this. Over time, these satoshis are gonna increase in value. So, if they increase in value, why wouldn't I just, start hoarding some on the side? It's just free and it's digital, it's on the internet. That you can just store them on the wallet because it's just on this website. You sign in, email, forget, you can come in because this digital world that we're transferring into, I feel like it's gonna grow very fast at one point, and if you're not set up, you're gonna feel left behind. So as this crypto world, or smart cities are gonna start popping up here and there, you're gonna need crypto. Like, I don't even understand why this is making me do this. Can I just refresh this? Storefront. That's a house. Storefront. What? I don't know. Would this be a storefront? Cool. Maybe. And you just want to have your crypto. Like, I don't only have just Bitcoin. I have Verge. I have Tron. What else do I have? I don't remember. I have a lot. But on the 8th, even with CoinPro, I have a whole lot of cars. This is easier. I have a whole variation. I have over 11 coins with CoinPro. The link's in the description, but you can't even sign up yet, so that's really just something else. We're gonna get into this price action after this. I thought this would have been a lot quicker, but they don't like me today. I'm gonna probably do this real quick. Ripple seems to be going up though. Ripple, we're gonna take a look at that in a little bit. We're gonna see what's going on. If this doesn't work, I'm just gonna leave it alone. Oh. This is so annoying. Y'all might not even want to do this though, but it's usually easier than this. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it alone. That's if you want to do that. Let's get into this Ripple. Right here, boom. Looks like we have an ascending triangle. This right here is what I'm looking at. This wick right here is an exhaustion point, but price came. This engulfing variation right here was completed right here. So price can still come test this floor right here, this 38.2, and then we might see a strong push up, but I'm not sure yet. We're gonna break this down. This is a daily candle structure, which is nice because see, on the daily we see this potential setup as this being an ascending. Ascending would mean that price is shooting up, and if price is shooting up, we see this ascending on this Fibonacci continuation, right? It's still holding above this 23.6. So on the daily candles, we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. If this daily candle today for Ripple closes bullish, we can expect more upside motion, and then somewhere around, probably around this price range, we might see opportunities to enter. but we're gonna start going down into lower time frame to see more clear details of what's really actually going on, just due to the fact that right here, boom, 4 hours. 4 hours gives us more candles to see where price was at. So right here on the 4 hour, that same spot, we can see a lot of sideways candles, which means price was, you know, at the 0%, you know, where it created that higher high. And then since then, the higher lows have been ascending. What do I mean by ascending? This low came up, boom. And then this low came up, boom. But this higher low was lower than the last higher high. So a lot of people might be expecting, that might be a trend a trend change. But me, using Fibonacci, I don't expect a trend change once 23.6 is broken. Because right here, this could just be a continuation up, which is possible, but we don't know yet. We're looking for that clarification for this last higher high to be broken, where support will be found and continue up. But if not, we might see some downside motion to the 38.2, so Ripple can find its way into creating structure all over again, because the market moves in fractals. These fractal movements, they go up and down, or they might even print sideways like this. This is really a nice sideways motion for Ripple. Ripple as a cryptocurrency, it is very volatile. When it moves, and I like it because it's slow. As a cryptocurrency, it's very slow. It gives you a lot of time for you to set yourself up, to find nice position. Like, a lot of these are good setups. Like, there's a lot of pips in crypto. Crypto has so much pips. When I talk about pips, like, there's pips for days. All right, pips for days. And then I really don't use the 3 hour, 2 hour. I would drop down to the 1 hour. See that same 1 hour? Even in this 1 hour, right here, we could be in this short. But because price had closed under our resistance level that we have, or should have marked up, if you've been taking notes or if you've been following, look, that's a very nice little indecision level. What do I mean by that? Came here, this is resistance. So understand this. Anything under here, you should have been selling. Anything that you bought under here were at these right here. But this can be explained later on at a different time. I'm not gonna get into those type of details. If you want more information for like in-depth or more advanced trading, you can contact me and we can work something out. I do webinars on some private lessons. But back to the price action, we can drop down and see resistance. So boom, this was a ceiling. Price tried to break it, couldn't create a floor. Boom, it came under. Boom, stayed under, tried to break it again. Boom, came back under. Resistance. So boom, price shot back up, tried to break it, couldn't create a floor. Boom, dropped down. Resistance. You see that? So we could have sold this off this same line. We could have sold once from here and then carried it out, possibly even stacked. Then once we got to that 23.6, because I know that's a counter trend short, boom, because I'm also looking for the opportunities to buy, right? So, and we're using Fibonacci. I would have thought trend continuation. All right, cool. Boom. Would have saw it hit resistance. I would have waited. Probably wouldn't have traded all of this noise. I would have waited for that perfect entry. We want to wait for perfect entry. So price came down here, retest. Boom. I see the retest and I'm going down for the sell. I'm bagging nice pips. But price keeps going. This is a scalping, like, with price action. I should zoom in and make these candles a lot more in-depth details. So boom, the retest right here came, boom, price went down, would have bagged a nice little 20 pips. You like 20 pips to catch 20 pips is so easy. 20 pips make that your TP, boom. But sometimes my signals are swing signal trades. They're longer term trades. That's why I give those signals for free. As you can see, like, you could have held these, you would have had way more than 20 pips. You know what I mean? And if, as you can see on Ripple, it dipped into that zone, held that support within that zone, and came back up. Boom. Price is still working its way up. You know what I mean? This price, this big candle right here that looks very controlling. What I mean by controlling, price close above all these candles, which means it's going to try to find a floor. If it finds this floor above this this resistance, like right now would be ideally the most perfect time to buy. But if you've been, like I said, been watching, I gave y'all the opportunity to buy since down here. So yeah, that's why there's these gaps in between. These were waiting periods, trial and error, etc., etc. I saw right here, based off this engulfing completion right here in this small area, that price held up. Looks like a last kiss setup. That's why for the swing, you know, when we go back to the day, look at how much upside room we have for the swing. This is just for the swing, because price right here, it had all these strong dips. Price looks like it's trying to attempt to retest all of these levels. And this is just with Ripple. And this is just me explaining the daily ascending triangle right here, because right here we have a triangle. If we go into the H4, we can make it a lot clearer. We're going to hide this for now. Boom. You can see that triangle a lot clearer right here. Let's see if we can even create a trend line for it. Might be like that. Boom. Wick to wick into the future. Boom. This is our triangle that we're watching. Ascending triangle on Ripple. Oh man. Next video is gonna be doing price action with Bitcoin, and then I'm gonna start adding forex pairs, because I'm really mastering USDJPY for now. EG I got in the bag. I still mark up with EG, and WTI I'm gonna add on later this year, because I want to get back to trading oil. Oil is a nice pair. But we can see on this H4, boom, like I said, ooh, nice EMA touch. See, like I don't even, like that's just price action. Well, confluence, but that's a whole different type of trading. I'm not gonna get into that. 15 minutes right here. If this doesn't get broken, you can see a lot of upside. Price came in and tried to create this floor. Price needs a little bit of support above these. If price can continue to hold this, we can see the upside. So you could buy Ripple after ascending confirmation is complete. Ascending triangle, but my signal is still in profit. A lot of profit, because I gave y'all the opportunity to buy from here. But understand, I believe price might go to the 61.8 only because it's crypto. Crypto is highly volatile. But if not, we're just going to enjoy the ride. For now, you don't want to rush your entries. You want to look for that perfect entry. Once price close above 89,283, we will see a lot of momentum to the upside. So, I mean, if you want to be an entry king, you can enter now. Your stop loss would be right there at 0.85536. That's only, I only make it so tight only due to the fact that I feel like I should have entered down here, which stop loss would have been a lot bigger, because I would have made this stop loss based off of this right here. Boom, that 38.6.2. But we're going to see. This is all a waiting game. I believe we're going to see a lot of upside momentum right now, which is good. So once Ripple continues to keep pushing up, look for your entries to buy. Ideal take profit for this swing, because it is a swing trade. Let's go on to the weekly. Zoom in real quick. We're looking to see price get to $1.53 ish.